Hey everyone, starting on the wheels on this guy, and if you've seen my previous video, I promised I would have a review of the Bola Solution Maximizer Series W55 wheel cleaner. So I'm gonna try this out on the wheels. Now, that being said, the directions on the back of this are all in Korean. So I don't know what it says. Now I'm gonna assume if I can look at any other wheel cleaners, I'll apply it to the wheel after it's rinsed, give it a quick scrub. I have the wheel and body brush, the short-handled version, and the Detail Factory tire brush. Now you'd be like, hey, why don't you have better tools for your tires and wheels? Well, listen, they're Steelies, it's wintertime. Not super concerned about the wheels and with the tires. We're just kind of gonna get this sacrificial dirt off. So we're gonna give it a pre-rinse, apply the product, clean it off, give you a close up, see how it is, and give you my thoughts. Now, it may not be used for the tires, but I'm gonna put a little bit on there. Can't hurt anything. It's a nice foaming cleaner, at least on the tires. Now, it is pretty white, so it may not be pulling a ton off, but the scent is quite nice. Now we'll hit the wheel. I really like this wheel and body brush. With the Steelies, it's not a huge deal because, I mean, let's face it, they're Steelies. Give that a nice little clean and rinse it off. So we'll come back when that's dry and we'll check out the results. Okay, so the wheels are cleaned and finally dried. I didn't do an absolutely phenomenal job cleaning it because, again, it's winter time, just a quick superficial clean. But overall, the Bola Solution 2-in-1 wheel cleaner works pretty good. I did like it. It foams nicely. On some of the other tires that I didn't film, it actually do a bit of browning, which is nice. So even though it's not a tire cleaner itself, it worked well for that. So a lot of the properties are pretty darn similar, but overall, it was pretty nice. And I enjoyed the clean. So do I recommend it? Yes, I do. It's a good little product. It's probably fine more so if the wheels aren't super hammered. Again, with these are Steelies, so it's a little bit harder to tell. But that being said, it's safe on pretty much all wheels. Again, I'd probably resist using it on kind of bare aluminum, but overall, it's a great little wheel cleaner and definitely gets my suggestions. So carzilla.ca, pick it up and you're not going to be disappointed.